morning, Botai. Yesterday we started speaking about some of the halachot of Keriat Shema Shem Shacharit. There, like we said, there's a time limit for when the morning Keriat Shema has to be recited, which is at the end of the third hour by the end of the third hour of the day. There's a disagreement among the poskim how a person should calculate these hours of the day. According to the Magen Avraham, that's the commonly known posek for the Shita, he was really preempted by the Trumat Hadeshin. They say that the day is calculated, the hours of the day are calculated from Alot HaShachar, which is dawn, until Tzedek Kochavim. The other Shita, which is commonly attributed to the Gra and Ba'al Tanya, which was really preempted by the Levush, they say that the day is calculated from later on, from sunrise to sunset. Sunrise is about 72 minutes, Zmaniyot, 72 seasonal minutes after Alot HaShachar. And sunset is about 72 seasonal minutes before Tzedek Kochavim. So that being said, naturally, the 3 hours of the day, according to the Magen Avraham, are going to be over earlier than the 3 hours of the day according to the Gra and the Levush. Just as an example, according to the Magen Avraham and the Trumat Hadeshin, the end of the third hour today, just as an example, today is at 8:47. According to the Gra, comes out to about 9:33. So there is a discrepancy, quite a substantial one, between these two zmanim. So what's the halacha? Which zman does a person have to keep? Maran Zechron Bracha writes in Alichot Olam Chelik Aleph that according to the letter of the law, if a person wants to follow the opinion of the Gra, which is the later zman, it's permissible. Even though Kriyat Shema is a Torah law, since we do find many poskim like the Rambam and Rav Saadia Gaon that concur with the Gra and the Levush, a person may rely on the later time, the hours of the day, from sunrise to sunset. Nevertheless, since Kriyat Shema is a Torah law, it's preferable wherever possible to be makpid for the first time, which is that of the Magen Avraham and the Trumat Hadeshin. He says there's an exception, let's say, for Talmidei Chachamim that stay up late during the night learning Torah, and they find it very difficult to wake up early in the morning, and they're only able to get Kriyat Shema by the second zman, the zman of the Gra and Ba'al Tanya. He says, even though, according to we said, La Machmirim, it's better to be Machmir by Din Torah, but for people like that, it's acceptable to wait for the second zman. Not only that, even regular people, that they're not Talmidei Chachamim staying up late learning Torah, it's also acceptable in cases of need to rely on the later zman. Yom Tov.